Hi, it's Claire from Couture, and today I'm going to show you how to wrap and turn. So this is some short row shaping. We use it on our Robyn Octopus pattern, which you can see here, and we use it on the tentacles. So at a point in your pattern where it says to wrap and turn, I'm going to show you what to do. So we're going to slip the first stitch purlwise, and then we're going to bring our yarn to the front. We're then going to slip this stitch back again, and then we're going to turn our work, and on the pattern it'll probably say, well, if we're following our Robyn Octopus pattern, it would say just knit to the end of the row, and that is exactly what you would do. You would just continue knitting until the end of the row. Hope that's helpful. Have a great day. If you like this video, please subscribe on the button below. Thank you.